I want to share something today that could change how you approach manifesting your desires. It's not about chasing what you want but about understanding the power you already possess. This is a truth so simple, yet most overlook it in their search for answers. If you grasp this secret, your manifestations will unfold more quickly and effortlessly. The secret is this: you must become the version of yourself that already has what you desire. It's not about wishing, hoping, or even praying with desperation. It's about being. What does this mean? It means living in the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. When you fully embody the state of having your desire, the world must conform to your assumption. The external reality is nothing more than a reflection of your inner state. Think about it. Every moment, your thoughts and feelings are shaping your world. If you focus on lack, you'll experience lack. If you focus on abundance, abundance will follow. This isn't wishful thinking, it's a law as precise as gravity. The question is not whether it works, the question is whether you are disciplined enough to apply it. When you desire something, stop identifying as the person who wants it. Wanting creates a sense of separation, it reinforces the idea that what you desire is out of reach. Instead, claim it as yours in your imagination. Feel it. See it. Live it in your mind as though it is already your reality. Your imagination is not a mere tool, it is the creator of your world. What you persistently imagine will harden into fact. Now, let's get practical. Suppose you want to manifest a new job. First, identify how having that job would make you feel. Would it bring you joy, security, or excitement? Whatever the emotion, begin to feel it now. Picture yourself walking into your ideal workplace, receiving your first paycheck, or having a conversation with a colleague about your success. Dwell in these imaginary acts until they feel natural. The key is to saturate yourself with the feeling of already having it. It's crucial to avoid contradicting your assumption once you've made it. If you've imagined yourself as financially abundant, don't dwell on thoughts of scarcity. If you've imagined yourself in a loving relationship, don't entertain doubts or fears of loneliness. The moment you accept these limiting thoughts, you undo the work of your imagination. Discipline your mind. Reject anything that doesn't align with the reality you're creating. Here's something else to consider: time is an illusion when it comes to manifestation. Many people get discouraged because they don't see immediate results. But recall, the delay is not denial. The moment you feel your wish fulfilled, it is yours. The time it takes to materialize depends on how firmly you hold on to the assumption. If you waver, you introduce delays. But if you persist, nothing can stop the manifestation. You might wonder, what if I can't feel it vividly enough? That's okay. Start where you are. Even a faint feeling of your wish being fulfilled is a seed planted. The more you practice, the stronger your feelings will become. Imagination is like a muscle, the more you use it, the more powerful it becomes. Be patient with yourself and remain consistent. Consistency is the bridge between desire and fulfillment. Let me share a profound truth: everything you experience is a reflection of what you believe to be true about yourself. If you believe you are unlucky, your life will prove it to you. If you believe you are blessed, your experiences will align with that belief. Your outer world is a mirror. If you want to change what you see, you must change what you believe. And the fastest way to change your beliefs is through imagination. One of the most effective techniques is to create a simple scene that implies your desire has already been fulfilled. Keep it short and sweet. For example, if you want to manifest a new home, imagine a friend complimenting you on it. Hear their voice, feel their excitement, and accept it as true. Replay this scene in your mind every night before you sleep. The state you occupy as you drift into slumber is incredibly powerful. It sets the tone for your subconscious mind to work on your behalf. Your imagination is not bound by the limitations of the physical world. It doesn't care about the how or the when. It simply creates. Your job is to remain faithful to the vision you've planted within. Doubts and fears will arise, but treat them as passing clouds. They have no power unless you give it to them. Remain steadfast in your assumption, and your world will change to match it. Here's another secret: gratitude accelerates manifestation. When you feel grateful, you are in a state of receiving. Even if your desire hasn't materialized yet, give thanks as if it has. Gratitude tells your subconscious mind that you already have what you desire, and your subconscious mind will work tirelessly to make it so. Start each day by saying thank you for your blessings, both seen and unseen. Gratitude opens the door for more. Another thing to remember is that manifestation is not about effort, it's about alignment. You don't need to struggle or force things to happen. In fact, effort often implies doubt. Instead, relax into the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Trust that the same power that created the stars is working through you. When you truly believe, there's no need to push. The manifestation will come naturally, often in ways you couldn't have predicted. You might encounter people who doubt or dismiss these ideas. That's okay. This work is not for everyone. It requires faith and persistence. But for those who are willing to apply these principles, the rewards are beyond measure. You'll come to see that you are the creator of your reality, not a victim of circumstance. Manifestation is not just about imagining, it's also about how you interact with your present reality. Many miss the subtle but critical point that while you assume your wish is fulfilled, you must act in ways that align with your desire. This isn't about pretending or playing make-believe, it's about embodying the mindset and behaviors of the person you want to become. For example, if your desire is wealth, how would a wealthy person handle their day-to-day life? Would they constantly worry about money, or would they focus on opportunities, generosity, and confidence? Start aligning your habits and decisions with the identity you're manifesting. Every small action carries an energetic signature. When your actions are consistent with your assumptions, you amplify the power of your manifestation. Your environment, too, plays a crucial role in shaping your beliefs and emotions. Take a look at the spaces you inhabit daily. Are they cluttered with reminders of your current limitations, or do they inspire the feelings you're aiming for? Create an environment that mirrors your desired reality. If you're manifesting success, surround yourself with objects, images, and even sounds that resonate with that state. Your surroundings act as constant reinforcements of your assumptions. Equally important is the language you use. Words are not just expressions, they carry energy. Speak about yourself and your life as if you are already living your desires. Avoid phrases like, "I hope," or "I'll try." Instead, affirm, "I am," or "I have." This shift in language influences not only your subconscious mind but also how others perceive and respond to you. Confidence in your words creates a ripple effect in your reality. Another aspect to consider is the power of letting go. While focus and persistence are vital, clinging too tightly to an outcome can create resistance. Once you've made your assumptions and taken aligned actions, release your grip on the specifics. Trust that what you've asked for is on its way. Sometimes, the path to manifestation includes unexpected twists that ultimately bring about an even greater outcome than you envisioned. So, don't underestimate the importance of joy in the manifestation process. Manifestation is not meant to be a solemn, arduous task, it's a creative and joyful act. Find ways to bring more happiness into your daily life. When you are in a state of joy, you raise your vibration, making it easier for your desires to flow to you. Laughter, gratitude, and celebration are all forms of alignment with the energy of abundance. To truly harness the art of manifestation, you must trust yourself and the process. There's a natural flow to creation, and your role is to align with it, not fight against it. When you act from a state of trust and confidence, you become a magnet for everything you desire. Life responds to the energy you project. Make sure that energy is one of clarity, certainty, and joy. As we close, let me leave you with this thought: you already hold the key to the life you want. The techniques and principles we've discussed are only tools to unlock the potential that has always been within you. You are not a passive observer of life, you are its creator. Accept this truth, and you will experience the profound beauty of conscious creation. Before you go, let me ask something simple but meaningful. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to show your support. It helps us connect with others who are seeking similar insights. Subscribe to this channel to continue exploring more ways to create the life you've always wanted. So, my friends, the secret is simple but profound: live in the end. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and persist in that state. Do not waver, no matter what the external world shows you. Remember, your imagination is the key to unlocking the life you desire. Use it wisely, and watch how quickly your manifestations unfold. The power is already within you. Now it's time to claim it.